Skywatch Media News for June the 11th, 2020. The U.S. Planetary Defense Network, headed up by NASA, issued a warning on June the 8th that a series of 5 asteroids will soon be entering into Earth's backyard. This is another critical test of the early warning systems and preparedness in the face of ongoing threats from space. The sudden outburst of space rocks included 2 asteroids, one measuring 310 feet and the other 64 feet. The first one, named 2013 XA22, passed Earth at a distance of 1.8 million miles, whereas the second one, named 2020 KZ3, passed at a much closer distance of 761,000 miles. Both asteroids passed by on June the 8th, which was the same date in which NASA had issued the warning. When considering relative distance between the Earth and nearby asteroids, it's imperative to understand the significance of lunar distance in the calculations of close proximity. One lunar distance would be the average distance between the Earth and the Moon, which is known to be 239,000 miles. So despite the relative closeness of asteroid 2013 KZ3, our planet was once again spared any danger from the passing asteroid. 3 other asteroids are set to pass the Earth in short order. The first is on June the 10th, when a 65-foot asteroid named 2020 KY will pass at a safe distance of 4.12 million miles. This space rock will be followed the very next day, on June the 11th, by another 65-footer at a distance of 3.6 million miles. Later on this same day, a 60-footer will come even closer at a distance of 2.3 million miles. All 5 of these asteroids have and will cross our path within 4.1 million miles of Earth, which is raising the concerns of NASA officials, even though these space rocks pose no immediate threat to our planet. The reason for the concern among those who scan the skies for incoming objects is the fact that 4 of the 5 incoming asteroids were not spotted until the middle of last month. Discovery of larger incoming objects on a short time frame makes it extremely difficult for defensive forces to make preparations for an impact event, or to make any attempt to deflect the object prior to impact. This is the second consecutive week in which multiple asteroids have passed relatively close to Earth. On June 2nd, 4 near-Earth objects flew past the Earth. The first one, measuring 108 feet and traveling at 34,000 miles per hour, passed within 319,000 miles of our planet's surface. The distance is slightly more than the distance between the Earth and the Moon. The second, measuring 115 feet and traveling at 12,000 miles, passed within 2.5 million miles of the Earth. Traveling behind this space rock was the biggest of the asteroids, measuring 144 feet and traveling at 24,000 miles per hour. Its distance was 2.9 million miles from the Earth. The last asteroid of June the 2nd measured 105 feet and was traveling at 11,000 miles per hour. It passed within 1.3 million miles. The fact that 9 near-Earth objects have passed within 4.6 million miles of the Earth within the first 2 weeks of June, which distance classification is considered as a potential threat to our planet, stresses the urgent need to ramp up early warning systems and planetary defense initiatives. According to the NEO Coordination Center, the number of near-Earth asteroids now stands at almost 23,000. Of these, an estimated 902 could pose a collision risk to Earth, and this number continues to grow. For this reason, there are several agencies that are responsible for tracking these objects and alerting the public in the event of a threat. Back in the year 2018, the renowned astrophysicist Stephen Hawking released his final book to the world, titled Brief Answers to the Big Questions. In the book, he stated that the biggest existential threat likely to face Earth's inhabitants was an asteroid collision. Some of you may know this, but it's worth repeating for those who are unaware. According to numerous statements made by Hawking, one of the main reasons for the sudden interest in colonizing Mars was to ensure that human civilization would have an alternative home in the solar system in the event of a cataclysmic event on the Earth. It's also important to note that in that same year, 2018, the National Science and Technology Council released a report with a very long title called National Near-Earth Object Preparedness Strategy and Action Plan. The report indicated that the U.S. and its allies were ill-prepared for the threat of a large impact, but they also acknowledged that there was still time to address the problem. As stated here, unlike other natural disasters, once a NEO is detected and tracked, we can typically predict many years in advance whether it will cause a devastating impact. And most importantly, we can potentially prevent impacts when detected with sufficient warning time. A NEO may be deflected via spacecraft systems designed to alter the NEO's orbit such that it misses the Earth. These are comforting words when taken at face value, because agencies like NASA would require at least 5 years of preparation for a mission to be launched, in the hope of completing such an endeavor. At this moment, the greatest asset we have in the planetary defense arsenal is the information that is available. The ability to track NEOs that are years away from crossing the Earth's orbit is crucial. It's the primary means by which humanity will survive a major impact from deep space. During the late evening hours of June the 7th, an incredibly bright fireball lit up the sky above Tennessee. The phenomenon, which remains unexplained, was so intense that it was visible from as far north as Canada. The American Meteor Society received hundreds of calls from across 12 U.S. states as well as from Ontario, Canada, regarding an unbelievably bright object in the sky. One witness video shows the fireball from Knoxville, Tennessee, as the meteor flares up in a dazzling streak and disappears seconds later behind the tree line. Observers described the object as a green fireball that lasted for about 3.5 seconds. There were no reports of fragmentation or terminal flash. Based on the AMS estimated trajectory, the fireball traveled from the southeast towards the northwest. As we journey out of the darkness and into the light, we suddenly discover that there are so many things happening from above and from all around us. So stay safe, folks, and keep looking to the sky. Thanks for watching.